Hi guys, it's Crafty Cailey, and my mom's doing my hair because I have like a talent show. Today we are going to be playing Waymaker on the piano, and I actually taught myself how to play Waymaker on Sunday, and it was really fun because I was just in my room just playing it. And it's on YouTube, and you press Waymaker, you type in Waymaker, and it'll pop up, and it's the first one. And this is a gospel song, so let's get started. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed Waymaker. Bye.